celebrative,
growth,
camaraderie,
inclusive,
and inviting,
togetherness,
hardworking,
collaborative,
and innovative.
Innovation is always part within Wan Bridge's DNA from day one.
from land to living is the core advantages Wan Bridge has already built.
Real estate as a whole is a pretty conservative, and being innovative and different is what's going to make us better than the person next to us.
We have a company-wide software program called WBS. So in the past, we used to have to carry each blueprint with us. Now we have all that information right there at our laptops, our phones. We can access it all the time, 24 hours a day.
Before we had to rely on people to give us updates to enter into an Excel spreadsheet. And now we can, at a moment's notice, we can pull the data and it's live and we can see real-time data.
Now we have robotic dogs. We have drones, we have pictures that we take daily, get immediate responses, answers, and help with the efficiency of our home build process.
You know, a good build time was 150 days. Now we're targeting, 90 days or less with the home building schedules, and a big push of that has been because of the AI integration.
Whenever we're looking at new prospective land deals, we're using AI to do analysis on the markets, the renter profiles, and putting together a very comprehensive data set that will give us a material advantage over our peers that aren't using such advanced technologies.
So with our new system, we are able to track the production of the home, have historical data in there like pictures and videos, and be able to tell the progression of our vendors as far as completed work, payment status, when they're actually getting paid, when the check clears the bank. Like, all the information is at the tips of our finger.
The program that Wan Bridge has, it's a lot more efficient, which saves us money on the front end, and it saves the Wan Bridge also money on the back end.
Because it makes everything much accessible and easier to keep the job going and make sure we stay on point with what we're doing and how we're doing it in a timely manner.
The technology that Wan Bridge wants to bring, it's going to disrupt some of things that we are currently doing in the industry. That is exciting to partner up with a company like you guys.
The WBS system has really helped us increase efficiency with our daily work, especially when we're starting a new project.
We use a lot of Moneyboard to manage our projects. It helps us to see across project more clearly. We can find project issues at a very early phase and then make accurate decisions. I think that helped the whole design department as well, the overall efficiency.
Innovation plays a large role in a company's strategy and culture, especially for our residents. So as long as we continue to stay innovative with different apps, different options that we're offering to our residents, I think that's very important in our business.
I did do a virtual walkthrough, even though I wasn't able to actually come here. She showed me the outside of the house, and she went in, she showed me everything, the bathroom, the toilets, the light fixtures. The process was super easy.
Now, when there's a work order involved, we have the WBS platform where they can instantly submit. It gives the resident the opportunity to schedule their own maintenance requests.
I think that it does make it convenient. So instead of going over to the office or picking up the phone to make a call, I can just go through the rental application on my smartphone, put in a work order, it's done in 24 hours.
Processing all our invoices and POs through WBS and create a job request report that we can then submit to our lenders or to our investors or any other parties that need that information.
It'll give us a rent forecast. It will give us the potential absorption for that property based on a specific unit mix. We're using information technology in my area to make things more efficient and effective.
I think innovation is what guides everyone here. We're always trying to do better. We're always trying to implement new technology and just be the best that we can be.
We are working beyond from land to living.